Assalamu warahmatullahi friends. Today's story title is The Slave and the Lion. Once upon a time, there lived a rich man named Harry. He had a slave called Peter. The slave was made to do household chores. Peter worked very hard to please his master, but the master was very rude and cruel to him. Soon, he became very sick of his master's cruel treatment. He became so desperate that he thought of running away from the house. One day, when Harry was out of town for some business, he ran to the forest. He ran to the forest as fast as he could. He found a cave near a tree and hid himself there so that no one was able to find him and capture him. Suddenly, he heard a heart-rending loud sound. When he turned around, he was frozen with horror. There was a lion coming nearer and nearer, but it was limping and groaning in the deep pain. When it had come very close, it held out its paw and looked expectantly at Peter. Poor creature, its paw was swollen and a thorn stuck in it. The kind-hearted slave felt deeply distressed at the animal's condition. He hesitated for a moment. A dreaded animal was in front of him. But the suffering of the poor lion was too much for him to bear. So he got over his fear soon. He extended his hand and pulled out the thorn very gently out of its paw. The lion looked relieved. As a gesture of gratitude to the kind man, he licked his leg. In the meantime, the servants of the cruel master who were searching for the slave came to the forest where he was hiding. They caught him and took him to the master of his. The master was furious to see the slave and decided to give him an exemplary punishment. He invited the people of the town to witness the punishment. A lion was brought to pounce upon the slave. Such a cruel master! Now, it was the same lion whom the wretched slave had saved from agony. Immediately, the lion recognized its rescuer. It advanced slowly and began to lick his hands tenderly. Peter too reciprocated his gesture and patted him on his head. It was a wonderful sight for the people of the town, a feast for their eyes. They asked the slave why the lion had not attacked him. The slave said, "One day I saw this lion in the forest. A thorn had lodged itself in its paw, and it was in great pain. I pulled out the thorn, and since that day we have been good friends." The people got touched by this story. They set both the lion and the slave free. To the people's amazement, the lion was following the slave as if it was his pet cat. Moral of the story is, kindness is always rewarded. What a wonderful saying of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that God shows His mercy to those who are merciful. Have compassion to creatures on earth so that those in heaven may have mercy upon you. I hope you liked the story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.